Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I have a project share, just a really quick project share. We were on Wacky Wednesday today with Luisa and Chiquita and Eve, and I made a junk journal. It's not finished, but it's the base so that I could get decorating and stuff like that. But what I used was Luisa's digital kit, and if you're interested, it's My Crafty Boutique Co. on Instagram. And this is the name of the digital kit, Victorian Christmas. And you get all these digital backgrounds and all these ephemera pieces. So if you're interested, go check out Luisa on My Crafty Boutique Co. on Instagram, okay? I also used a paper pad from Michael's, and I think it's 2 years old now, but it's called Silent Night, and it was a hot buy paper pad, and it has a little bit of silver detailing on there, but it has a lot of blues and pinks and purples. There's a little bit of purple in this collection. It's hard to tell with this bad lighting right now, but yeah, I used chipboard. This is what I made. This is what it looks like so far. But I used chipboard that I had in my stash. It's just the, I don't know if you ever buy scrapbook.com's loose papers, they have like chipboard they send with it to make sure the paper doesn't bend. So I keep those, and that's what I used, and I cut it down. So the board, the size of this junk journal is 9 inches by 4.5 inches, if you measure it like this, 4.5. And the width of the spine is 3 inches, okay? This is all chipboard, and then I used some Velcro dots. So I have 1, 2, 3 here because I can't find my magnets. So that's what it looks like. And this is Luisa's digital paper. The background paper is all the Michael's paper pad, okay? So this is Luisa's digital, and that's what it looks like there. Whoops, this one came out. I also used some papers from Chiquita's Crochet. She does dyed papers and doilies and book pages right here. And she dyes so many different things, but check her out, Chiquita's Crochet, here on YouTube. Usually she sells it live on her YouTube channel. So if you're not subscribed to her, please do. I will leave the links to the ladies in the description box down below. So this is her digital kit, Luisa's digital kit. Again, I'm gonna keep the outside covers are her digital kit. And then the papers are Chiquita's. So look at that. Beautiful. It has like speckles in the paper, and then you've got this dark and light shading going on, and you have the texture of the water dried paper. So that I'm loving this, And this flap, you could cut it off if you don't want a flap, but I left the flap on just for a little flip out opportunity there. And then here it's another insert. I'm gonna make a folder. I have to reprint one of her digital pages because I wanna make a folder for it. So this is another insert right here. And then the colors that I put in here are the greens, reds, like a corally color, just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I just printed this double-sided. So one image and another image, and then here is the last insert, and I've just got some purple, blues, and pinks in this one, and just left this fold out right here for this last insert. And then I'm gonna add another pocket to the back here, and then also like a pen holder on this side, because there's a lot of room in this junk journal, this little binder cover that I created. Now you can see all the raw edges, but I'm okay with that. We're gonna do some stuff to gussy it up. I also stitched on the papers before I added it to the chipboard. So it looks like that. This is a 12 by 12 piece from here to here. It's a 12 by 12 piece, and then I just cut it down to 9 inches, and then I added a second paper, and it overlaps right about here, just so that it's a continuous piece. Did some stitching right where it joins or meets, and then I just stitched around the perimeter all the way around, and I did the same thing for the inside to cover up the inside pages or inside cover. Okay, so stitched right there. The hardest part for me is making sure it lines up straight and not hanging over too much. And if it bothers you, you know, you guys could go in and trim it off if you want. But as far as that goes, that's what it looks like. And then I just took one of Chiquita's dyed book pages and created a somewhat of a pocket. I was trying to leave a little bit of room, but I think I left a little too much because this just keeps falling out. So I'm gonna have to figure out another way to keep that in. And then I was going to add a doily here, but I just ran out of time, just, you know, to add another piece of texture onto the pocket. But I love it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. It's just a quick share. I will continue to decorate these off camera, and yeah, I'll probably share more in another video. I want to add more stuff onto the flap here. I have some embellishment pieces that I want to put to use from the Luisa's digital kit. These are the ephemera pieces, and the good thing about the digital kits is you guys can reprint them as many times as you want and cut them out with your digital cutting machines if you know how to use them. I also turned one of them into a label just to see if I could make it into a label, and I did. So if I can get it, oh, here it is, here it is. I used my Cricut. I used my Cricut Design Space and added a shape on top of it, and then added my my information on there. So that's what my label looks like. And I'll just glue this into my little junk journal so that I can have it onto the junk journal. So there it is. That's all I have to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.